Here's one for some summer fun, just in a unique specialty in classics. Good looking car, 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Not one you're gonna see every day. Actual mile car, 69,979 on it at the moment is all. That TPI 5 liter, 305 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front face on this. I tell you what, considering it's black, and this is a 91, that's in nice shape. Yeah, are there your little specks and your little tiny nicks? Yes, but man, look at that glossy finish. There's no major big old nicks or gouges. Paint shows well, nice glossy finish. And again, you gotta remember this is 1991. With a few miles on it. That's sharp looking. All right, number to call, 507-386-1726. If you want to see over 100 still pictures of this car from every angle, you'll be able to see the underside. And take a look at the underside. Pans, very clean. You'll see the engine bay, top up, top down, interior trunk, all those still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. American Racing. 5-spoke polished wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Radials that are in decent shape. Take a look at the tread on them. You'll see that in the close-up pictures too. Date code on those, 2014. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are straight. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Look at the reflection in the paint. You got to consider that being black, it shows well, no doubt about that. Gray interior, that would be the stock interior, also in nice shape. Here's this car has been well taken care of. It's been somebody's baby. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at it. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll put the top up. We'll check out the condition of that. After that, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Rear bumper, also nice shape, small wing. Now these did not come from GM directly as a convertible. I believe that was done at, ASI? If I remember correctly, it will come with a car cover, a couple miscellaneous parts over there also. All right, how about a little note or two from the technician on this one? Said it runs out very well. We'll find out when Jason takes it for a drive. New exhaust or newer exhaust from the cat back. And he noted underside's very clean also. So look at those floor pans in this thing. Brake straight, 90% in the front, 70% in the rear remaining as far as brakes go. Powertrain seats, expected. Car this age is driven. A little bit of play in the idler arm. And then I mentioned car cover goes along with it. And there's lug nuts with a lug key. Must have been in the trunk also. Let's take a look down this driver's side again. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. If you like Camaros, no matter what year, what style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection. And again, no major nicks, dings, scratches in the paint. Yes, it's black. You're going to find a small imperfection there. When you consider miles in the year, again, nice shape. Let me pull that warning chime off so the key can come out just a little bit there and it shuts down. All right, look at this. So stock interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. Plastic's not even broke away. See that quite common. Let me get back away so you can look at this seat for the true color that it is. There you go. Little bit of wear in that bolster, but not bad. Of course, for releasing the top, right here is when the top is actually up. For releasing that tonneau, you can use the switch right here, and by the tonneau cover, I mean this plastic cover that comes up the convertible top, but you'll see that convertible top locks there, and then above the windshield, that would be the release there. And there should also be a couple wire releases too wire pulls back there. But again, I'll fold that up as far as the convertible top, show you the condition of that. Here towards the end of the video, tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM, cassette. Hey, it was 1991. All right, there's that TPI 305 or 5 liter fired up. There's your exact miles, 69,979, just ready to flip to 69,980 it looks like. And oil pressure's up there. Battery gauge working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Fuel gauge working. Tachometer also working. How about this stereo? Fitting song for in this car. Stereo working. And again, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. It actually has a new heater core. So you're ready to roll. And this car appears, get in it, turn the key, go to your local roll-in, cruise-ins, local shows, have some fun with that top down. Let's listen. Sounds as you would expect also. All right, let me pop this hood. Speaking of hood, that hood's also a nice shade as far as paint wise. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. This is as clean as the rest of the car too. Wow. Aluminum radiator's been added. AC's been converted, 134A from the R12. Well taken care of, and it shows. That engine bay looks good too. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. Check out the condition of that. We'll wrap up this walk around video and have Jason take it for a drive. And convertible top up. All right, so when I release that tonneau cover, if I can show you this or not, or if you can see it, right above there, you see a little bit of wire sticking right there on each side of the seat. There's a mechanical one on each side. I just used those, and it releases each release on each side of that tonneau cover. Lifted it up, and then it just works like a Corvette convertible top. Fold the top out. It's a little bit heavier because it's a larger car. And then you have your two latches up here, just like a normal convertible. And that pin I talked about, that pokes down and locks right there. And that is the release that's on the side of that tonneau cover. I guess I can show you that also. Right there. Pull that and that'll release that pin in the back when you want to go back down the other direction. Pretty simple. One man can do it. Took me probably a minute, give or take. So side glass tinted. Know your local and state laws as far as window tint. Look at that, nice bit above the windshield. Black fabric, and it is a nice shape also. I don't think that top's been up a whole lot. Clear rear window. No rips, tears, holes. Top's in the same condition as the rest of the car, if you ask me. And real light tint, it appeared on that window. Again, nice tight fit above the windshield. So nothing crazy as far as that window tint. All right, we'll get Jason to take it for a drive. Check out the still pictures. Original mile, 1991 Z28 convertible, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1991 Chevrolet Camaro. This car a little bit different. It is a convertible. I don't know how many convertible Camaros of this era you've seen, but there aren't that many out there. Looking great in black. That hood screaming that it is a third-gen Camaro. Very fun. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. Nice throttle response from this car. We've got an aftermarket steering wheel that fits this car very well. We got some finger grooves on the back. Our gauges are all working. The oil pressure showing 45 to 50 psi. The fuel gauge at 3/4 of a tank. The battery is charging over 14 volts, and the temperature gauge reads 1/4 of the way up. It's approximately 180. Tachometer also working. Stereo sounds good.
They're trained professionals provide.
We're trained professionals, never forget. Also, the AC blows cold on this car. It does say Z28 on the dash, if that's any indication. Beautiful day to drive with the top down. You can be one of the few that owns a convertible third-gen Camaro. Nice smooth braking. Just enough rumble to let you know there's a V8 under the hood that sounds good. Corner's nice and flat. Watch out for the traffic. A great Camaro from 1991 and a convertible. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.